Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and every day we bring you up-to-date news, technical analysis, hidden gems. So if you like making money in crypto, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, select all notifications so you never miss a thing. Right, we've got some massive news for Cardano. Let me know in the comments below whether you agree and what you think this is going to mean for Vechain. Really like this project. As many of you know, it's my biggest investment in this space, and we were talking about it when it was less than 1 cent. So it's done remarkable so far. Even though we've had a pullback, we're still in some decent profit. However, I don't think we've even scratched the surface of what is possible. So let's get into it. So Vechain announces the world's first national ENFT adoption. This could be huge for Vechain. Vechain Foundation and DNV Assurance have partnered with the Republic of San Marino to issue digital COVID-19 vaccination certificates. Approved via a law on June the 16th, this solution will provide its citizens with a digital certificate in line with the European standards. The certificate will be issued via enterprise non-fungible tokens, ENFTs, a type of digital asset based on the blockchain Vechain VET. The ENFTs have been designed with the purpose of leveraging blockchain technology to impact everyday life and allow companies to design products as a bundle of physical goods, enable digital products, and far more. The San Marino digital COVID certificate will cover vaccinations against COVID-19 and whether a person has been infected in the past or received a negative result when tested for the disease. According to the Vechain Foundation, every certificate will be valid for 1 week, 15 days after the first vaccination dose. If a person receives a second dose of the vaccine, the certificate will be valid for 9 months. Local authorities can issue the certificate according to the user's request on paper or digital form. The president of San Marino has said the San Marino digital COVID certificate is an important tool that aligns with the technology standards used by European Union, assuring total interoperability while also adding a universal certificate method based on the blockchain technology. So this is remarkable. How will Vechain based San Marino certificate work? The certificate will operate with 2 QR codes, said the Vechain Foundation, one created to comply with international standards approved by the EU. This code can only be verified by a member of the state, for example. The second QR code will be verifiable by everyone. In order to go through this process, a personnel can scan the code with any device with access to the web app. Therefore, the certificate can be verified. The Vechain Foundation has added this is enabled by linking a non-fungible token, so an NFT, which is a unique, non-repeatable certificate of digital authentication, guaranteed to be immutable and accessible by being registered on the Vechain for public blockchain. Bit of a mouthful, that one. As part of the infrastructure that supports this initiative, the partnerships built a national information system. Thus, the system supports the insurance, validation, and enables citizens to access the information directly from the national electronic health records. So that's remarkable. The announcement has been celebrated by the foundation and Vechain community alike. One of the members called this partnership biggest mainstream adoption of blockchain in recent history, and you could argue that for sure. The user highlighted its importance in terms of adoption and Vechain 4's potential to host scalable and useful applications. So that's pretty much this article in a nutshell. So for me, what does this mean? It means more adoption. I think San Marino are just going to be the first of many to adopt this. This problem isn't going away. However, Vechain are definitely supporting in being able to be an enabler to get some normality back, which segues me perfectly into the next article. 𝗕𝗏trust is now adopted by local Chinese government, helping 300,000 plus citizens get back to normality, basically. So let's get into this article. On the 9th of September 2020, during the ongoing impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, Vechain, in conjunction with DNV, they always seem to be popping up here, the massive backer of Vechain, introduced the blockchain-based risk assessment, the risk self-assessment application 𝗕𝗏trust. Built on the Vechain for public blockchain, it combines DNV's infection risk management methodology and track record of providing global recognition compliance standards to help entities manage COVID-19 risk factors. Following adoption by hotels such as InterContinental Shanghai NECC, 𝗕𝗏trust has been steadily expanding its presence, developing new use scenario across various industries in China. Currently, over 200 public areas are onboarded into the 𝗕𝗏trust platform. So remarkable. On the 22nd of June 2021, during the event held by the People's Government of Suzhou New District, 𝗕𝗏trust was showcased as one of the top 10 blockchain applications and was formally acknowledged by officials. So that's, again, fantastic for the adoption of Vechain here. In the pursuit of more effective top-down COVID-19 risk management, the local government has been using 𝗕𝗏trust platform to visualize the process of infection risk management for all administration areas in the district. It covers a total of 95 residential communities and over 300,000 residents as of 2021, with immutable trustless proof of hygiene compliance being securely shared with the government daily. So again, fantastic. 𝗕𝗏trust provides a standardized framework for self-assessment in infection risk management, assisting community officials in their management duties. The level of readiness of the certain community will be assessed by a weighted calculation displayed visually as QR codes through the 𝗕𝗏trust dashboard. Other public officers such as administrative teams can also easily access the data related to implementation of infection risk management standards in a seamless nature and can verify that the health and safety of the community residents are being maintained. So yeah, like, it's a fantastic article here, and for me it does show some fantastic adoption when it comes to Vechain. And I think this is just the beginning of what Vechain can actually achieve here. And then, you know, it goes without saying, Vechain is proud to receive the 𝗕𝗘𝗪 enterprise credit evaluation from the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗀, an entity under the Ministry of Civil Affairs, PRC China. So yet another award for Vechain, and you know, we already know they're the only 5-star rated blockchain in the world. So it's remarkable that they've got another certificate here or another award. And again, it's one of the reasons for me that, you know, Vechain is set apart from many of the other projects in the space. You know, they've got some remarkable partnerships. I think we're just scratching the surface when it comes to Vechain. I expect this project to do phenomenally well. It's fantastic to start, you know, as we start seeing some of the other YouTubers and other influencers on other platforms start to talk about Vechain in the way that they do. So yeah, I thought this was fantastic news to bring to the community. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful and informative. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell, select all notifications so you never miss a thing. Right, thanks everybody. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.